Hello everyone. Today I will give some question answers from the chapter 5, that is types of crops. It is for class 6 students. Okay, so let's start. First question is, describe the main categories of crops with examples. Answer is, there are three categories of agricultural crops grown in India. First one, food crops include rice, wheat. Second one, cash crops include cotton, jute. Okay. Third one is plantation crops include tea, coffee. Question number 2. Describe the ideal conditions for rice cultivation. Answer is, the ideal conditions for rice cultivation are: number 1, it grows well in alluvial soil with clay subsoil. Number 2, the traditional rice fields are known as paddy fields and require to be flooded with 10 to 12 centimeter deep water in early stages. Next, question number 3. What are millets? Where are they grown in India? Answer. Coarse food grains like jowar, bajra and ragi are called millets. The second answer is, in India, these crops are grown in states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 4. What type of climate and soil is ideal for cotton cultivation? Answer, you write, cotton requires uniformly high temperature, that is 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. It grows in areas having at least 210 frost free days in a year. Black soil is ideal for cotton cultivation. So these are the climate and soil that is ideal for cotton cultivation. Next, question number 3, that is, list 3 benefits of green revolution. So the answer that you will write, the first point, green revolution increase in productivity made it possible to feed the growing human population. Second point, the method of multiple cropping helps to produce much larger quantities of food. Number 3, the Green Revolution was also beneficial because it made it possible to grow more crops on roughly the same amount of land with a similar amount of effort. Sorry, that was question number 5. Okay, so these are all the 5 questions. Now I will give some differentiate question answers. Let's start with the first one, differentiate between food crops and cash crop. So you will write in the food crops. Food crops are plants grown for humans to eat. Example, rice, wheat. Cash crops. The cash crops are plants grown to sold for profit. Example is cotton, jute. Next, question number 2, differentiate between plantation crops and food crops. So the answer you will write, plantation crops are those which are cultivated for extensive sale like for extensive scale like tea, coffee. And in the food crops you will write, food crops are plants grown for humans to eat like rice, wheat, etc. Move on to the next question number 3, differentiate between rice and wheat. So the first point, in rice you will write that rice is tropical crop that can be grown almost throughout the year. In the wheat you will write, wheat is the second most important crop of India after rice. It is a winter crop. In the second point, in rice you will write, the ideal conditions for rice cultivation are: it grows well in alluvial soil with clay subsoil. The traditional rice fields are known as paddy fields and require to be flooded with 10 to 12 centimeter deep water in early stages. In the second point, in wheat you will write, the ideal temperature for wheat cultivation is between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing and 21 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius at the time of harvesting. Wheat thrives well in less than 100 centimeter and more than 75 centimeter rainfall. Last differentiate is differentiate between jute and cotton. So in the jute you will write the jute is a tropical plant that requires high and humid climate. It is also known as golden fiber. It is a soil exhausting crop and ideally suited for delta and flood plains. In the cotton you will write cotton is the most important fiber crop. Cotton requires uniformly high temperature, that is 21 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. It grows in areas having at least 210 frost free days in a year. Black soil is the ideal for growing cotton cultivation. So these are all the question answers for chapter 5, from the chapter 5, that is the types of crops. That's it.